A pronoun is a word used in place or instead of a noun in a sentence. However, there are special pronouns that we use to refer back to the subject of a sentence. Today, we're going to learn about reflexive pronouns. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to define reflexive pronouns, appropriately use reflexive pronouns in a sentence. Reflexive pronouns are pronouns that help tell us that the subject of the sentence is the same as the object and ends with the word self. Examples of reflexive pronouns are himself, myself, herself, ourselves. For example, he injured himself by mistake. The reflexive pronoun himself tells us that the doer of the action as well as the receiver is the same person. Reflexive pronouns can also be used as intensive pronouns to show emphasis. For example, did you yourself see the boy steal the candy? The reflexive pronoun yourself is used to emphasize if you actually witnessed the boy stealing the candy. Let's check out how reflexive pronouns work with personal pronouns. Myself goes with I. Yourself goes with you. Himself goes with he. Herself goes with she. Ourselves goes with we. Itself goes with it. Oneself goes with one. Let's do a quick task together. Fill in the gap with the correct reflexive pronoun. They swept the whole house, dash. Great job! They swept the whole house themselves. Remember, reflexive pronouns are used to specify that the subject is doing something by or to itself. Thank you so much for listening. Join me in the next video as we delve into other types of pronouns.